Right now, you're wasting mental energy on things you cannot change. That argument with your coworker yesterday, the traffic that made you late, what people think about you online. This constant mental drain is stealing your peace, your focus, and your joy. But what if there was an ancient mental tool that could stop this today? The Stoics discovered this 2,000 years ago. A Roman slave turned philosopher named Epictetus faced conditions you can't imagine. Yet he found complete freedom. His secret? A simple distinction so powerful it can transform how you experience every stressful situation. Most people spend 90% of their energy on things outside their control and wonder why they're exhausted and anxious. Today, you're going to learn that distinction. This is the Stoic Dichotomy of Control. And by the end of this video, you'll have a practical 5-minute exercise to reclaim your mental energy starting today. The dichotomy of control is brutally simple. Some things are within our control. Most things are not. Epictetus put it plainly, some things are within our power while others are not. Within our power are opinion, motivation, desire, aversion. Not within our power are our body, property, reputation, command. In modern terms, we can visualize this as 3 circles. The first tiny circle is what you control. This contains only your mind, your thoughts, your judgments, your actions in this very moment. Not your feelings, those happen to you. But your judgment about those feelings? That's here. The second, larger circle is what you can influence. This contains things you can affect but not control, your health through habits, your relationships through communication, your work performance through effort. The third massive circle is what you can only be concerned about. This contains everything else, the past, the weather, the economy, what others think of you, global events. We spend most of our mental life here, in the circle where we have zero control. Let's make this practical with 3 situations you faced this week. First, work stress. Your boss criticizes your work. Your immediate reaction is anxiety, anger, defensiveness. The Stoic shift? First, identify the circles. Their opinion? Circle 3, concern. Your reaction? Circle 1, control. The quality of your next effort? Circle 2, influence. So you'd say, I cannot control their opinion. I can control doing better next time. This isn't passive, it's strategically directing energy where it matters. Second, relationship worry. You're waiting for a text back. Checking your phone? Feeling ignored. The circles? Their response time, circle 3. Your anxiety, circle 1. Your choice to engage in meaningful activity instead of waiting, circle 1. Your ability to communicate clearly later, circle 2. Third, social media anxiety. You post something and get negative comments. Your mood plummets, circles. Others' comments, circle 3. Your decision to post, circle 1, but it's a past action, so now it's in circle 3. Your choice to engage or not, circle 1. Your self-worth, circle 1. Theory is useless without practice. Here's your daily exercise, adapted from Marcus Aurelius' Evening Reflections. It's called the control check. Step 1, pause. When you feel stress building, stop for 1 minute. Ask, what circle is this in? Just naming the circle reduces its power. Step 2, sort. Mentally place the stressor into control, influence, or concern. If it's concern, say out loud, this is in the concern circle. I release it. If it's influence, ask, what's one small action I can take? Step 3, act or release. If the stressor is in your control or influence circle, take one small, immediate action. If it's in concern, perform a release ritual. Write it on a piece of paper and tear it up. Visualize letting it go. This entire process takes 5 minutes. Do it once today. The goal isn't to never feel stress. The goal is to recognize when you're fighting reality and to stop. Every time you sort a worry into the correct circle, you strengthen your mind. You reclaim energy for what matters. So here's your challenge. In the next 24 hours, catch yourself worrying about something outside your control. Pause, sort it. Act or release. Then come back and comment. What did you let go of? Tomorrow, we'll build on this with the Stoic Morning Routine 3 practices to start your day with clarity, not chaos. If you found this practical, subscribe and hit the bell. One concept at a time, we're building an unshakable mind. Remember, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength.